Hey everyone, it's Marissa here, and today we're going to be making Freckle Juice. During this quarantine time, there's still a lot of things that we can do, like read a book. Recently, I read Freckle Juice by Judy Bloom. In this book, the main character, Andrew Marcus, and I quote, wants freckles more than anything in the world. So today, we're gonna use the secret recipe inside Judy Bloom's book to make our very own Freckle Juice. In Freckle Juice, you will need 1 lemon, an onion, pepper, salt, grape juice, vinegar, ketchup, mustard, mayonnaise, olive juice, and 1 cup to drink it all up. Let's get started. So I already put ice in my cup. We're gonna put some grape juice. Go about halfway. Now we're going to add in some of our vinegar, just a spoonful. Perfect. Next we're going to add some olive juice. To add some salt, delicious, pepper, some ketchup, some mustard. Make sure to shake it because it gets all liquidy. Some mayonnaise. Then we're gonna go ahead and cut our lemon and just a speck of an onion. So go ahead and grab your cutting board and a knife. You might want to ask your parents to help you with this part because cutting, you can get a boo-boo. All right. Cut your lemon in half. This. Take out your seeds. Perfect. And squeeze. And then mix this. Now you're gonna take your onion and you're gonna cut off just a tiny bit. Just like this. And I'm gonna stick it in my drink and continue to mix. You want to mix until you get all these little pieces so that it's almost the same color. All right, let's see. 1 glass makes an average amount of freckles. 2 glasses makes a lot of freckles. Wish me luck. So I'm gonna tell you right now, it smells really, really bad, and it's gonna be really, really gross. So you can make this at home, but I would not recommend that you drink it. I'm just gonna say that. But it is fun to make. Let's go see if I got freckles. What did you do? I think you look better without freckles. Really? Okay. So if there's one thing to take from this book, it's that you look great just the way you are, whether that's with freckles or without them. If you get the chance to read Judy Bloom's book, it's amazing, and I definitely recommend it. And if you get a chance to make Freckle Juice, do it. Remember, it's fun to mix it, but don't drink it. Thanks. Bye.